Hey art friends, today we're going to draw a Hello Kitty popping out of a heart. And I hope you're going to follow along with me. We're using our pencil and eraser to draw the main shapes first. Then we're going to use our markers to add the details and color. All right, let's get started. First, let's fold our paper. We're going to take the top edge, line it up with the bottom edge, and crease it down the middle and out to the corners. Then we'll take the top flap and line it up with the top edge and fold it down. Next, let's flip our paper over and we'll repeat that same step. Take the top flap and line it up with the top edge and crease it down. This is just a guide fold, so we'll unfold it, flatten it out, and then flip our paper back over. When we're all done, it should open up like this. Since we're using markers, I'm going to place a scratch paper underneath our drawing paper to protect our table. And we're going to use our pencil first and draw the shape of our heart. We're going to start by adding 2 guide points. Let's add a point in the middle above the fold and a point down here below the fold. Then we can draw the left side. I like drawing the left side first because I'm right-handed, because then we can use this to look at while we're drawing the other side to try and match. So if you're left-handed, you could draw the right side first. There we go. There's our heart, just the shape of it. We're going to switch to our marker now because we're going to draw the Hello Kitty bow up here in the top left. So first, let's draw a circle for the knot. Then we're going to draw the left side coming out, around, and diagonal line back in. And then we're going to repeat that same shape for the other side of the bow. And then right here, we can add another shape, or it kind of looks like the letter C and a backwards letter C. This is for the little wrinkles inside of the bow. Okay, now let's trace over the pencil line, but we're not going to draw through the bow. That's the nice thing that we're using the pencil for. We can just have the guideline there so that we know where the shape is. But then when we're all done using our marker tracing over, so we're going to skip right here through the bow. We'll draw in between and then come down here. Then we can switch to our eraser and we can erase the pencil lines that go through the bow. And if you see any other pencil lines that we didn't draw over, you can erase those too. Also the guide points. Now we're ready to open up our paper and flatten out the fold so it's easier to draw on. Now we have half the heart up here and half down at the bottom. We can extend the top past the fold, and I did a little curl at the end. Then we can draw a zigzag line to connect the 2 sides together. And I mixed up the zigzags, so some of the zigzags are big and some of them are small. Then we can extend the bottom up past the fold and do the same thing. Let's add a zigzag line. This looks like Hello Kitty is exploding out of the heart. And if I ever go too fast, remember you can pause the video for extra time. Okay, now we're ready to draw Hello Kitty. First, let's switch back to our pencil and we're gonna draw the guide shapes. So first for her head, we can draw a big oval shape. We're gonna draw it pretty big so that it fills up a lot of the paper. And I'm drawing part of it above that middle fold and below it. So it's right in the middle. I think that's a good shape. And then we can also add a heart down here. So let's repeat the same step that we did for the big heart. We can add 2 guide points. And the top one is inside of her head. Then we're going to draw it curving around and then straight into, oh, I'm going to make it bigger than where we can. Maybe I'll make it smaller. No, I want it big. I'm glad I'm using a pencil. We can work on the shapes and get them just the way we want them before we switch to our marker. Then I'm gonna match the other side. So we're drawing a really big heart that she's hanging on to. Okay, that's the size I want. Now we can draw 2 ovals hanging onto the heart. So these are hands or paws. We're gonna draw 2 and they're overlapping the heart on both sides. And we want them to be the same size, so you can make them, if you need to, you can make one side. If you gotta work on it to match, I gotta draw over it a couple times so that it's the right size. And then right here, we could draw her body going into the heart. So it looks like she's popping out of the bottom of the heart. We're done with our pencil. We can put that off to the side again and switch back to our marker. Let's add all of the details and turn this into Hello Kitty. We can start with the bow just like we did on the heart. We're gonna repeat those same steps. So let's draw the knot first. I'm gonna draw it right inside of the shape of her head. And then we can draw the left side. Maybe I'll draw it a little smaller, even though the circle is about the same size. I'm gonna draw the bow or part sticking out smaller. Then we can draw the inside, the letter C's. Now let's draw her paws. I'm gonna draw the outside of the oval, just trace over the pencil. And then we can add 2 little bumps for her fingers, and we can do the same on the side. We'll draw 2 bumps on the inside. Then let's trace over the heart. And we can trace the top part over the pencil and also the bottom part, but we don't want to draw through her paws. We could also switch to our eraser and erase those guidelines inside so we don't get mixed up. Now we're ready to draw her head and also her face. Let's start with her face. We can draw her nose. We'll draw a little oval right above the heart. And then we can draw her eyes. I'm going to draw them way over here. We'll draw the same size as her nose, but drawing them going up. And we can color those in. Okay, now for her head, let's draw the top of her head right here from the bow. We'll just draw a short curve over the pencil. And then we're gonna draw her ears coming up and down. They're really short and small. Then we can draw her other ear in between the bow. Okay, now for the side of her head, we'll start inside her ear, trace over the pencil, and connect down here at the bottom, and then start on her bow and trace over the pencil. Okay, now for her whiskers, let's first draw the middle one. It's short, and then we can draw the longer one above and below, and then we can do that same thing on this side. The middle one that's short, then a longer one on top and bottom. Now for her body, we can trace over the pencil on both sides. Then for her clothes, we could just add a line that goes through the heart down here at the bottom. And we could also add a line for her legs. And we did it, we finished drawing her, except we still need a color. This part will fast forward, but at the end you can pause the video if you want to match my same coloring. Also, before we color, we need to switch to our eraser and erase any of the pencil lines you can still see. And we did it, we finished coloring our drawing, and it looks so much better all colored in. I hope you'll take time to color your drawings. And you can even add more things to the inside. You could add more hearts, or you could add more characters from Hello Kitty. And I hope you had a lot of fun following along with me, and I hope you take extra time to add more things to the inside. And we'll see you later, art friends. Goodbye.